Right, good afternoon everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, dropping a like on the video to help me reach a wider audience, and any comments or questions you may have, please leave them down below and I will endeavour to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I'm going to make a quick video about VeChain. It's a very small article I've just read about. It's pumped 7.5% today, where can it go to next, but I'll also provide some analysis of my own to reach my own conclusions. I'll start off by going through a cryptocurrency market as a whole. We're up 1.03% with a market cap of $1.08 trillion, so things are looking decent, like we're on the cusp of a bear market. The market's holding strong at the moment, so yeah, everything's like looking fairly stable. We've got a 24-hour trading volume that's up today to nearly $61 billion. Bitcoin dominance is down to 41.2%. So we're still trading above $23,000. So Bitcoin's holding up. Looking across the top 10, the biggest riser in the top 10, Polygon has put more clean air between itself and Solana. But Solana is, fairly steady at $23. It's not given the gains back that it recovered after the FTX debacle. Looking at the biggest risers in the last day, Sandbox is up 20%, Near Protocol 14%. HBAR continues to do well. It's had a good 2-3 weeks. It's been doing well. It's up another 12% today. So if you're in that, you're doing well. A few of the gaming coins are doing quite well, and there's VeChain, that's up 5.57, so it's given back a little bit, but I know it was up 7.5% earlier, according to the article. I'll go through the article very quickly because it's a very short article. I'll link it down below. It's on Investors Observer. VeChain up 7.53% on Wednesday. What's next? VeChain has been relatively average in terms of volatility when compared to other cryptocurrencies. So far Wednesday, the crypto added 7.53% to $0.02634. Moderately volatile. Investors Observer gives VeChain a moderate volatility rank of 26, placing it in the bottom 26% of cryptos in the market. The volatility gauge takes into account the meaning that one day won't make or break its rank, so that's a good thing. It's fairly stable where it is. VeChain's moderate volatility reading comes with a low reading on the risk reward gauge, meaning that the coin has a moderate price swings and is well protected from price manipulation. VeChain is trading above resistance with support at 0.023 and resistance around 0.025. This leaves VeChain out of range and potentially in a volatile position if the rally burns out. What is a coin? I don't think we need to read that section there, but I'll link it down below and you can go through it yourself. I must apologise for my voice. I've come down with a bit of a cold, but yeah, I'll be okay. Obviously none of this is financial advice, just my own opinions and me sharing my insights and analysis on the markets and sharing bits and pieces of news with you. So we've been in this parallel channel. I took my trend line off and put a parallel channel on there because I noticed that was being formed, a parallel channel to the upside with this double top that we're about to hit, well, potentially today. Yesterday we had this lovely big bullish engulfing because we'd had a couple of down days, but that completely negated it. We've had a little update, but we've come back down. It's like a pin bar there, but it's still, how long have we got? It's nearly 2 o'clock UK time, so yeah, there's plenty of time left for the daily candle to close. So I'd like to think we could continue along this trajectory up towards this the upper end of the parallel channel, or at least test this double top. Should we break through that, then I see price continuing to head north, not at a rapid rate, but nice, sustainable, realistic gains. More interestingly than that, if you look down here at these two moving averages, the blue one is the 50 and the red one's the 100. The blue one's sloping up lovely and it's just about to cross the red one, so we've got a golden cross there, which is a bullish sign, which is obviously played out there. Hopefully it will continue to do so. On the negative side, my concern is that there is, from this high here to this new high here, there is some bearish divergence across the MACD, and we're moving into slightly negative momentum, but I'm not overly concerned about it. If you were to take the MACD away and just look purely at the candlestick patterns, everything is pointing towards a bullish outlook for VeChain. Specifically these two moving averages, the way they're sloping up, everything's looking nice and juicy for a decent run in the coming weeks. Obviously none of this is financial advice, it's just me sharing my own opinions. Like I said, it's just going to be a very quick video. I've got some work I'm doing at the moment, and I want to make a couple of other videos today. So for now, I will leave it. So thank you for watching. I wish you all a wonderful afternoon. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, dropping a like on the video to help me reach a wider audience. And any comments or questions you may have, please leave them down below. And once again, I apologise for my voice. I'm sure it'll be better in a couple of days. But yeah, I'll leave it there. Bye for now.